I'm Liz, Get Setup's Content Manager, and I'm here to share with you how the social hour and creating poetry and sharing poetry is a great way to unlock your creativity and be able to share poems with other peers using online tools and your own ingenuity. So, come join us for this class to learn how to use online magnet poetry to stimulate some of your own interest in poetry, to create different types of poems, and talk about poetry perhaps you're creating or share from other peers in the group, generate ideas and inspiration for poems through listening to others' favorite poems and perhaps unknown poems and poets, and get to know your peers and their love for poetry. Join us in this community activity to understand a bit more about how poetry can open your creativity and find other like-minded community members like you interested in similar activities. We hope you join this next session and look forward to seeing you in another Get Set Up community activity.